In the previous tutorial, /posts/python tutorial CLI/, we built a CLI tool with click and rich. Now let's build a REST API, a web API that any front-end, mobile app, or other service can call. Let's break it down. Step 1. Database models, SQL Alchemy. We reuse the SQL Alchemy patterns from tutorial 20 /posts/python tutorial databases/. Step 2. Pydantic schemas, API layer. Schemas define what data the API accepts and returns. This is where FastAPI shines. It validates input automatically. Key concepts. Field, min_length equals 1. Validation that FastAPI enforces automatically. Bookmark update has all optional fields. For partial updates, model_config equals from_attributes. True. Let's Pydantic read SQL Alchemy objects directly. Step 3. Repository pattern, CRUD. We put all database operations in a repository class. Step 4. FastAPI routes. Now we connect everything with FastAPI routes. Dependency injection with depends. FastAPI's depends is one of its most powerful features. It creates and cleans up resources automatically. Now every route that needs the database just adds repo. Bookmark repository equals depends get_repo. CRUD routes key patterns. Response_model equals bookmark response. FastAPI serializes the response automatically. Query default equals 1, G equals 1. Validates query parameters. Page must be equals 1. HTTP exception status_code equals 404. Returns proper HTTP error codes. Status_code equals 201. Post returns 201 created, not 200 OK. Status_code equals 204. Delete returns 204 no content. Step 5. Running the API. Run it. Open HTTP //localhost 8000/docs to see the automatic Swagger documentation. You can test every endpoint right in the browser. Testing with curl. Step 6. App Factory for testing. For testing, we need a factory function that creates a fresh app with a separate database. The factory creates a separate database engine and overrides the dependencies. This lets tests use an in-memory SQLite database instead of the production file. In production, replace allow_origins equals with your frontend's domain, e.g., https://emiapp.com. Step 7. Testing with PyTest. We test the API using FastAPI's test client, which uses HTTPX under the hood. Run the tests. Common mistakes. 1. Not handling 404 errors. 2. Returning database objects directly. 3. Source code. You can find all the code from this tutorial on GitHub. GitHub, Python tutorial/tutorial 23, FastAPI.